Welcome back. Today we will talk about how to sound confident on call in the first 15 seconds. Point 1. Sit straight. Immediately your voice changes. You sound more confident. Point number 2. Smile. It gives a warmth to your voice and you sound confident once again. Number 3. Point number 3. Use a steady pace. Not too fast, not too slow. Point 4. Pause after key points. It shows confidence and control, not hesitation. We need to learn to use pauses to enrich the audience experience while we are speaking. Point number 5. Very, very important. Stop using fillers. What are fillers? Words like oh, basically, actually. Replace these fillers with a pause. Sound confident. Point 6. Last but not the least. We need to finish while we are speaking to anyone on the phone with a very positive note. How do we do that? By saying, happy to help, or is there anything else I can assist you with today? See the impact it creates among others.